Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Lyft Delivery. Lyft Delivery is a convenient service that allows you to order food and other items from local stores and have them delivered to your doorstep. To get started, first download the Lyft app and create an account if you don't already have one. Once you have the app open, tap on the Delivery tab at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to a map view where you can see all the available stores in your area that offer delivery through Lyft. You can browse through the list of stores or use the search bar to find a specific store. When you find a store you want to order from, tap on it to view its menu and pricing. You can then add items to your cart and proceed to checkout. At checkout, you will be asked to enter your delivery address and choose a delivery time. You can also add any special instructions for the driver, such as where to leave the delivery if you are not home. After you have placed your order, you can track the status of your delivery in the app. You will receive updates when the store is preparing your order, when the driver is on the way, and when the delivery has been made. You can also contact the driver directly through the app if you need to make any changes to your order. To ensure a smooth delivery experience, make sure to provide a clear and accurate delivery address, and be available to receive your order at the designated time. You can also tip your driver through the app after the delivery has been made. Lyft Delivery is a convenient and easy-to-use service that can save you time and effort. With its wide range of available stores and real-time tracking, you can get the items you need delivered right to your doorstep. By following these steps and best practices, you can make the most out of your Lyft delivery experience.